Hello everyone, and dumpling is nearly done, so I'll turn the fan off. I'm going to turn the gas off now. Again, strictly speaking, they said at this moment, after you steam it for 20 minutes, you still let it settle without open the lid for about 10 minutes or a few minutes, or 5 minutes to 10 minutes. And but today I'm going to show you, so I wouldn't let it wait now. So now, see, this is steamed dumplings. I think I'm going to take it out now. Put here. Put another one. You must use gloves because it's very, very hot at the moment. It's boiling hot. So I've got 3 dumplings. That's my breakfast today now. So, and I'll show you as well. I'll make more now. Can you see? 2 round, 2 weight shaped. The weight is like the weight as a crop. You know, where we get the flour come from. I don't know, you send the weight what it's like when in the field. It's be like that. You know, it's that's why we call it wheat. So this is a long ones or moon ones, or whatever you call it. So now I'm going to do another 3. So I can use this baking paper. It's very good baking paper. I can use it quite sometimes 3 times. I got another 3. I think I got enough water for 15 minutes. So I'll do some more, and then I think I'll give to one of my very good kind neighbors. Okay then, and I'll stop here, and you all have a good day, whatever you do. Bye for now. Bye bye.